Welcome back to Mark's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something completely different, and I'm mainly doing this video for entertainment purposes and also for information purposes. Back here we've got Jesse's car, which is a 1995 Daihatsu Charade 3-door. It's the car that she drives to work every day, but where we live the roads are really bad. And she also travels on a lot of dirt roads to get to work every day. So actually driving to work, she has to drive on dirt roads which aren't in great condition. And as you can see, these things have very small tyres with not a lot of tread. It does have quite a bit of ground clearance, and you can see the car's quite dirty, and that is for the aforementioned reason of driving on dirt roads every day. It is not the ideal car for dirt roads. However, we want something economical these days with the petrol prices, and she drives to work nearly 45 minutes to an hour every day. So you don't want to be running a big four-wheel drive, spending a fortune on petrol. So let's see what we're going to be doing to this Charade. We went and we bought these mud terrain tyres for Charade. Have you ever seen anything like it in your entire life? And we're going to fit these today, and we'll also give the wheels a fresh coat of paint and probably give the car a bit of a wash. I won't be filming all of it. We will mainly be looking at what it looks like before the mud terrains and what it looks like with the mud terrains. The new tyre and the old rims on there, we're going to paint the rim black, so that's why Jesse's just taping it up. There we go, it is looking good. Mud terrains fitted all around. We gave it a bit of a wash and we have painted the wheels. We have just used satin rust guard paint, and this is what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with that, and so is Jessie. It's her car, she's the one that's got to be happy with it, and it dries beautifully. I was quite surprised. We have taken it for a drive and it dries really nice. Now there was some video footage lost of us fitting the tyres and painting the rims. I think we lost the footage of the rims being painted. But here they are, all painted up. Looking pretty good if you ask me. Now if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour and leave your question down below. I will try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.